It's a 2011 F-150 FX4. Decals have been removed. Got the Magnaflow single-in dual-out muffler, dual tips. I believe it's the 18-inch long version of the muffler. Left the factory resonator. And I believe that's 2.5-inch pipe coming out of the muffler. And I'll go ahead and start it up. Alright, back in the truck, nighttime, gonna go for a little cruise. Radio's off, AC's off. Barely hear the engine at all. Apologize for the camera shake. There's no good way to hold this thing and drive at the same time. Again, not sure how good the display's showing up. It's hard to see through the little viewfinder here, but got the cruise set on 60 miles an hour. 6 gear, turning about 1550, 1600 RPMs. Again, just like we were going 50 miles an hour, you can't really hear the engine at all over the tire wind noise. Certainly, if you get the radio up in it at all, it's not noticeable at all. I'm going up a little hill right now. Hear it a little bit more, but still just a a nice low rumble. When my son gets a little older, I may take that resonator off just to make the sound a little louder, but for now it's good like it is. Alright, as soon as traffic clears here, I'm going to pull out on this little 2-lane highway here and do a 0 to 60 run. Tow haul mode is going to hold it on the floor. Alright, 0 to 60, tow haul mode, do a little bit of a brake launch here. Got about 300 pounds in the bed, so should look pretty good.